Questions raised over alleged coup plot linked to ZRP officer. The 17th of August, 2025, Vertical Bar Harare. Allegations surrounding a supposed coup plot involving Assistant Inspector Simbarash Mandisvidza of the Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP, have stirred debate, with analysts questioning whether the reports are genuine or part of a broader narrative of political misinformation. Mandisvidza, who was recently arrested under unclear circumstances, has been portrayed in some circles as a hero figure allegedly working against President Emerson Mnangagwa's administration. However, critics argue that the story mirrors previous high-profile but unsubstantiated claims of state plots and internal power struggles. Observers point to a pattern in recent years where individuals suddenly gain prominence following dramatic arrests or sensational allegations. Among them are self-styled lawyer Talent Rooser, controversial inventor Maxwell Chikumbutts, and journalist Hopewell Chinono. All have faced charges or controversies linked to supposed exposes of corruption, military tension, or economic promises. In Mandisvidza's case, commentators note that no official photographs or detailed statements have been released regarding his arrest, fueling speculation. Some believe the episode is an inside job staged to distract from waning political support for senior leaders. Chinono has previously alleged rising tensions between civil society and the military, claims which state officials dismissed as unfounded. His reports on alleged stolen firearms and bombings earlier this year were also denied by authorities, but led to the arrest of nearly 100 activists. As the story develops, questions remain about whether Mandisvidza's case represents a genuine security breach or yet another politically motivated narrative. Both government and opposition figures are yet to provide clear responses on the matter,